From Kakori Kebabs and Jahangiri Mutton Quorma to Dahi Gujhiya and Sheermal, the majestic culinary and cultural glory of old Delhi has made its way to a food festival here in Okhla, this time through the lens of strong female figures of Mughal era. Themed Noor-e-Khawateen, meaning radiance of womankind, the 12th edition of Dilli 6 Food Festival underway at Edesia in Crowne Plaza Okhla is an ode to Mallikas of yore, Begum Nur Jahan, Princess Jahanara and Empress Razia Sultan, encouraging the Delhiites to step back in time and dine like a royal. Pradeep Sinha, Director of Food and Beverage at the Crowne Plaza, said, "Our lavish Dilli 6 menu gives an opportunity for guests to feast on time-honoured culinary recipes that have been passed through generations. Our chefs have collaborated with local garigars and vendors of Chandni Chowk to bring delectable indulgences which are deeply rooted in Delhi's history. The feast goes off the table on Thursday."